Welcome to the heart of innovation, where raw materials transform into everyday essentials. Witness the magic of glass.
From raw silica sand to the most intricate designs, every step is meticulously planned and executed.
Silica, the Earth's abundant treasure, forms the very foundation of glass. It's truly a marvel.
Limestone, soda ash, and recycled glass cullet combine, a precise recipe for strength and clarity. Each ingredient is carefully measured, then thoroughly mixed, creating the perfect glass-making batch.
For the furnace, every batch undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the purest ingredients proceed. Quality is paramount. The journey begins as raw materials meet the crucible of fire. The transformation is about to unfold. Within the colossal furnace, at blistering temperatures, solid becomes liquid, a true alchemical process.
From molten liquid, a perfect drop, a gob, precisely measured, begins its journey into form.
Under immense pressure, the molten scorcher is swiftly pressed into its preliminary shape, the parison.
The blow mold closes, its precise engravings ready to impart the bottle's final.
Compressed air then inflates the glass, perfectly forming the bottle within milliseconds. A marvel of engineering. Fresh from the mold, glowing with heat, each bottle begins its cooling journey, a symphony of production. Under immense pressure, the molten gob is swiftly pressed into its preliminary shape, the parison, a rapid transformation.
Every bottle's neck, its threading or lip, is meticulously crafted, ensuring a perfect seal for its future contents.
To prevent thermal shock and enhance durability, bottles enter the annealing layer, a controlled cooling time.
Sophisticated optical scanners meticulously inspect every bottle, detecting even the slightest imperfection. Only perfection passes.
Defective bottles are swiftly removed for recycling, ensuring only flawless products continue their journey. Quality is non-negotiable. Beyond automation, skilled human eyes provide the ultimate quality check, ensuring every detail meets the highest standard. Now, the flawless bottle moves towards its identity, where branding transforms it from glass to product. The journey continues. With lightning speed and pinpoint accuracy, the bottle receives its identity, its brand, its story. A perfect fit. Circumference. The bottles, now branded, move in perfect formation, each a testament to meticulous design and manufacturing. Skilled hands meticulously place each branded bottle into protective packaging, ensuring its safe journey to its destination. Securely shrink-wrapped, these perfectly packaged bottles are now ready for palletizing, poised for global distribution.
And so, the journey concludes as these meticulously crafted glass bottles embark on their final destination. From molten glass to a masterpiece of design, behold the finished bottle, a symbol of quality and craftsmanship.
A symphony of shapes and designs, each bottle a testament to our commitment to innovation and beauty. Truly versatile.
From intricate embossing to custom textures, every detail is meticulously crafted, elevating each bottle to a work of art.
The final touch, luxurious packaging, designed to protect and present our exquisite bottles, ready for discerning customers.
From our factory to your hands, each bottle represents a journey of quality, craftsmanship, and enduring beauty. Experience the difference.
Deep within the furnace, raw materials surrender to fire, transforming into a mesmerizing river of.
Within the fiery depths, tiny bubbles rise, a testament to the glass's purity, readying it for perfect formation.
Precision feeders dispense perfect gobs of molten glass, each a fiery orb destined for transformation.
Robotic arms, with incredible speed and precision, extract the newly formed bottles, guiding them to the next stage. Seamless efficiency. Within the machine's heart, gears mesh, pistons pump, a symphony of precision engineering, crafting each perfect bottle. With immense power, the blow molds open and close, revealing the nascent bottles, still glowing, taking their final form. Precise air jets gently cool each bottle, stabilizing its structure, preparing it for rigorous quality checks. A delicate balance. Even with advanced automation, human expertise provides a critical final layer of inspection, ensuring unparalleled quality.
The polarization test reveals the hidden stresses within the glass, ensuring every bottle possesses ultimate structure.
To guarantee durability.
With every test passed, every inspection cleared, bottles now progress to their final, elegant packaging.
Robotic precision ensures each bottle is flawlessly nested within its custom packaging, a perfect blend of technology and luxury. Each package, perfectly sealed and branded, moves towards palletizing, representing the culmination of our material. Every journey begins with a single step, or in our case, a single, perfect grain of silica.
From the furnace's heart, molten glass flows like an incandescent river, a breath.
Fire polishing, a delicate dance of flames, refines each bottle's rim, imparting a brilliant, flawless sheen, a touch of artistry.
To ensure thermal resistance, bottles undergo extreme temperature changes, guaranteeing their resilience in any environment.
A precision laser etches unique identifiers onto each bottle, a mark of authenticity and our commitment to traceability.
From our factory, our bottles embark on a global voyage, reaching markets worldwide, connecting continents, one bottle at a time.
Perfectly crafted, each bottle is ready to hold and preserve, offering a refreshing experience to its discerning user.
On automated lines, each bottle is precisely filled with its intended contents, ensuring purity and readiness for...
Finally, filled bottles move towards capping and sealing, securing their contents, ready for shelves. The cycle is complete. With rapid precision, the automated capper secures each bottle, ensuring freshness and integrity for its journey ahead. A perfect seal. Fully capped and sealed, these bottles are now complete, ready to embark on their journey to consumers worldwide. A finished masterpiece.
Before dispatch, a final human inspection ensures every packaged bottle meets our exacting standards. Perfection is always paramount.
These perfectly packaged pallets, a testament to our precision, are now ready for global distribution. From our hands to yours.
From our factory to your local store, our bottles now grace shelves, ready to serve their purpose. A journey completed. Enjoy your product. Witness the final act. Our bottle, now a vessel of enjoyment, fulfilling its purpose in your home. A perfect pour.
With a satisfying twist, the cap secures the contents, preserving freshness and quality for continued enjoyment. Thoughtful design.
Even after fulfilling their purpose, our bottles embark on a new journey, recycling, embracing the circular economy.
By choosing to recycle, you become part of the sustainable journey, giving glass a new life, protecting our planet, a shared responsibility. Emphasis. Broken glass, reborn as cullet, stands ready to embark on a new cycle, demonstrating the power.
A vibrant river of recycled glass cullet flows, returning to the furnace, ready to be reborn. Infused with recycled cullet, the molten glass flows, a testament to sustainability, ready to become new.
From recycled cullet, new bottles emerge, perfectly formed, demonstrating that sustainability never compromises on quality.
Every bottle, whether from virgin or recycled glass, undergoes identical, rigorous quality control.
Our labels proudly bear the mark of sustainability, indicating our commitment to recycled content and a greener future. Choose wisely.
Innovation never rests. Our designers continuously create new bottle concepts, pushing boundaries, shaping.
From digital concepts to tangible prototypes, 3D printing brings our innovative designs to life.
Our brilliant team of designers and engineers meticulously refine every prototype, ensuring optimal functionality.
From the ergonomic design of our caps to the tactile feel, every detail is meticulously considered.
From concept to creation, our latest designs now flow on the production line, ready to redefine industry standards.
New designs, new packaging, new possibilities. Our latest innovations are now officially entering the market.
A toast to innovation and exquisite taste. Cheers.
Our scientists tirelessly analyze raw materials, ensuring unparalleled purity.
Advanced robotics precisely sort recycled glass by color and composition, maximizing its potential for reborn. In the control room, every degree is meticulously monitored, ensuring the furnace operates at peak efficiency and safety.
We invest in the future, training the next generation of engineers and artisans, ensuring our legacy of excellence continues. Every bottle receives a final, meticulous cleaning and polishing, ensuring it leaves our factory with an unparalleled.
Behold the unparalleled brilliance of our perfectly polished glass, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. Every angle reveals meticulous design, every curve a testament to our commitment to beauty and
Bathed in golden light, each bottle is a testament to luxury, refined elegance, and uncompromising quality. A true masterpiece.
In the hands of a sommelier, our bottles elevate every dining experience, a symbol of sophistication and
As dusk falls, our factory continues its tireless work, a beacon of innovation.
In mesmerizing slow motion, molten glass dances, revealing intricate patterns, a testament to.
In graceful, slow motion, perfect bottles emerge, a testament to precision and the delicate.
With meticulous care, each perfectly annealed bottle is gently handled, ensuring its pristine journey continues.
In a mesmerizing ballet of automation, robotic arms flawlessly apply labels and caps.
Automated shrink wrapping secures each pallet, ensuring maximum protection for our exquisite bottles during transit. Ultimate care in every step.
A fleet of trucks, laden with our exceptional bottles, stands ready to embark on global journeys.
With a final, secure lock, the truck doors close, signifying the official commencement of our bottle's global journey. Safe travels.
Across highways and continents, our branded trucks journey tirelessly, delivering quality, connecting communities.
In exclusive boutiques, our bottles are chosen by those who appreciate true artistry, quality, and timeless.
The ultimate indulgence. Unboxing a bottle crafted with passion, designed.
From molten glass to a masterpiece of design, behold the ultimate creation.